Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see from the thumbnail, we got an S2000. She does need some love, but we are going to bring her back to life. I just made a quick video for everybody to see, and we'll have a little bit of a build series on fixing this thing back up and getting her back in good driving condition. So, hope you enjoy. I don't know.
It's the AP1.
AP1.
AP1, AP2, right?
Yeah.
Looks really good. Is it wrapped?
It's wrapped, yeah.
Is it silver?
Huh? It's over, yeah.
It's a cool car. Sebastian?
No.
Oh,
I'm recording, yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
No. So, it was a kid. He was been trying to sell it, and I saw people were posting up. He posted, I've been watching, people were flaming the car because it's beat up.
Yeah.
So it's got had hail damage, so they did a rebuilt title on it. Okay. So it got a new top. That fender's messed up. That one, yep. So it probably needs that. That's too much work to fix. I don't like the front lip or side skirts. I probably want to do an AP2 front bumper on it. It had Corvette wheels in the back. And some crazy, I'll show you a picture of the car. And some crazy wheels.
A lot of camber in this.
Ridiculous amount of camber. Yeah. I said, what is it? The Lance came here and helped me with the jack. That light was vinyl wrapped.
Oh.
It had one light. So Lance took it off. He took it off.
It was vinyl wrapped, had one light.
I don't know. I don't know what he did.
How young was he?
I know. Young. Yeah. Yeah. All black is an 02. All black interior.
The wrap doesn't look that bad, to be honest.
It's pretty bad, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, it covers the dent and stuff.
Right,
yeah. It's silver.
Did you take cash or anything?
Nah, yeah. Yeah, just home and take it, yeah. I kept my wheels.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's in a way better car now for him.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to slam it and stance it like that. I was like, I know, yeah. I said, whatever. So to me, if it was, and I said it in the video earlier, if it was stock, I think I wouldn't do it. But I think because it's so beat up, it's not that beat up.
You can
I feel that too, and bring it back to life. You know, bring it back to a new life. And then me and Lance put one of these up front really quick. They do a little bit, yeah. It's not bad. The tires are a little big, so I found out you have to run 35. Same size, just 35, and it'll fit fine. Yeah, for now.
I mean, when you take the camera out too.
Yeah, when you take the camera out, lower or raise it, and all that kind of stuff. I know, Florida rain.
What's the interior, red or?
All black.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, all black. It's black and silver. So. All right, pop the hood.
Oh, he left you with the short hub though.
Yeah, I told him I need that. How am I going to put a wheel on it? Yeah. He's going to take the steering wheel out of WRX. I was like, no. So yeah, it came like this.
Hold down.
So,
what the hell?
I got rid of stock intake pipes. I got to get another one.
What goes here? Does it have AC?
Yeah, it has AC.
Why is there a gap here?
Just maybe get a better filter or something.
At least you didn't cut this off. Thank God.
BCs.
Oh, it is on BCs. Nice. It's the same ones Puppy had on his.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. He did have coilovers on it. It was silver too, right?
Yeah. I think.
Gotta adjust the camber. Lower it.
What is missing here? Just
a big intake box, air box. Yeah. This fender's not that bad. That can go back.
For the most part, everything is here. Wow, this looks just like a case here.
Yeah, it does.
VTEX
Interior. Stinks in here, but seats ripped. Took his steering wheel. I'm gonna put it one.
Oh my God, he put self tappers in the bottom.
Where? Oh yeah, no. Those side skirts are gonna go.
I would just throw them in the trash.
Yeah. Yep. Cut up exhaust. Needs to be replaced.
Oh, the quarters are fine.
Yeah, the quarters don't look that bad. It was the fender. That fender's bad.
This bumper unit is probably...
This fender's the worst. I can tell. Got tons of body work right here. Just be easier to replace it.
Wow, this wrap is so bad.
The hood looks good, but it has so many,
Any?
yeah, so many dents on it.
Oh, from the
It's
hail?
just, yeah, it would just take too much work to fix that.
Carbon fiber hood.
Oh man.
It's solving a WRX, but it needs work.
Yeah, look, he's already
Yeah.
I hate this stuff.
I know, I took out the headlight. Dude, that looks way better than that.
Taking it apart.
Come on.
All right, we got the wrap off. We're going at it. We can't stand this color. Look at that. It looks so much better already. Yeah, I know. Tons of body work. Fenders are shot. Front bumper is not really a shot. Hood is shot. Side door is okay. A lot of body work was done on here. So, it looks clean. All right, I'm going to close out this video. We got the wrap off, as you can see, and most of it's off. Just really quick. New bumper is going to be replaced. I'm sorry, front bumper is going to be replaced, yeah, with a new bumper. Fender. And we're going to raise the car up. Let me just do a quick walk around. We took off the front tint. Looked like they were sanding down. They put epoxy. Not ideal. Maybe we'll just get the OEM wing and reuse the hose. I may have an antenna at the shop. Throw that in, replace the exhaust, and keep going at it.